Hello everyone, welcome back. And I know you're gonna love this video here. We're gonna have our tricep working here for the triceps. And I'm gonna do one that I've always liked, and you can use a band or dumbbell. And it's gonna be doing our repetitions of straightening the arms up and bending the back down. 3 seconds down and 3 seconds inhaling and 3 seconds exhaling. So here we go, nice and smooth. We're doing our 12 repetitions, right? Trying to focus on making sure that our core position is right on target. Our barbell alignment is right on target here. And again, it's breathing and making that muscle feel the stretch and then feel the tightening back through and down and feel the stretch and then feel the tightening back through. Tightening the arm and stretching that. Inhaling and exhaling. Keeping a good core position. Tighten those muscles. Stretching them out. Tighten those muscles. And one more. And again here, as we work on strength building, whether it's for triceps or biceps or on strength building, we're working through here's week 1 of arms, triceps. We're working to get 12 repetitions. And on those 12 repetitions, maintaining the M3 muscle finder, the tightening of 3 seconds and the stretching of 3 seconds. We're resting in between each set enough to make sure that we can recuperate. Our blood is now pumping to the arm, right? Our blood's going to start pumping to the arm. So now as we do the next set of 12, same thing. We're going to have to challenge the mind. Okay, let's challenge the mind, get a good body position, bring the weights up, and start the challenge. Up and down. There's 1. And 2. Breathe in. Yeah. 3. 4. 5. And working that strong muscle fiber. Up, 2, 3. Down, 2, 3. Bend the elbows. Straighten the elbows. Good. Last ones here. Nice and strong. Steady. Tighten those arms up through. Squeeze. And down smooth. And bend in the 90. And back up. Good. And then we'll put our weight back down. Now again, you can be using kettlebell, dumbbells. You could use a band. You can stand up with a band over your head for your triceps. You can use a straight bar, whatever strength building you have available. I'm going to make sure that our breathing, it's about getting that circulation to the muscles, making those muscles improve their mind connection. Neurologically functioning, we want the neurological function of we have command of those muscles, so gain command of those muscles. Okay, ready? Next round, 12. So we're doing 4 sets of 12 for 48 repetitions. And we want to wait in which, again, we can get through at least the 12, maybe up to 20, but not any more than that, right? We want to use enough. That 20 would be a little too much. So work the air in, air out. Right, up strong and tighten through. There's 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 2 more. Work that tricep control. Control the challenges in the mind. The challenge is making sure we have good control. And we can make it through all the repetitions and create all that muscle. Strength building, right? The strength building is going to occur because we can keep doing the movements. We have to be able to keep doing those movements and to get the muscle to get the function and the blood flow. Otherwise, we're not going to get the repetitions required to get the muscle to build the strength. You need mitochondria, which is a certain type of energy that happens inside the cell, the mitochondria inside the cell. We need that energy to build, and we need to have it be where the repetitions cause us to get a challenge. The challenge comes in the mind and the body. Okay, we're going to connect the two. Okay, ready? We're going to make sure we have a clean grip. Okay, get through our next 12 repetitions. We get a good breath of air in. Set the core, because we're pulling the tummy, keeping the back up straight. And then we'll take the weight into our first repetition. And down smooth. There's 1. And 2. And 3. 4. 5. 6. Now here's the challenge, right? The last of the repetitions, right? Now the arm's going to burn. They might get a little shaky. They might get a burn and shake, but we're going to work through because we know we can do these reps. And 1 more. And tighten those arms and down smooth. Excellent. Great job. Knew you'd love that. Again, excellent work today on finding those muscles. And we'll get moving on the next exercise. And we're going to train consistently like this on week 1, week 2, week 3, and just keep moving along. Great job today.